Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to delete photo from iCloud, how can you delete? So, you already connect your photo to iCloud, but because of storage or privacy setting, you just want to delete all your photo, how can you remove? So I will explain clearly for that. The first thing you need to do is go ahead to your photo on your application. So try to go ahead to the photo applications, and if you want to delete, you just need to click the trash icon easily. But if your photo is available for iCloud, if you want to delete, you need to delete from your setting. So let's go ahead. So the first thing you need to go to your setting first and click your Apple account. And then you need to go iCloud. Okay, so enter your iCloud. Actually, for me, um Actually, my story is not sufficient to see my photo, so I already turn off this one. So if you already saved to your iCloud, you will be able to see photos on. So if your photos on, just click it, and I will just show you with the other one. So if you go ahead to your photos and then go ahead to manage storage, and at the bottom side of your phone, you can see delete data from iCloud. So if you want to delete your photo from your iCloud, just click it. You can also select what kind of photo you want to delete on your photo session, and you can remove them from your iCloud easily. So as I mentioned before, for me, I I I turn off sync to my photo, so I will not be able to demonstrate at all. But if you turn on this one, just go ahead and select the photo that you don't want to use anymore and just delete. So by doing that, you can remove your photo from iCloud. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.